in the movie King Kong. Used approximately 800 miniature sets to create the illusion of Skull Island in the movie King Kong.
We are stuck right now.
Skull Island that we saw on our left-hand side, even though it seems pretty small, that's as big as Skull Island ever got on film. Because, again, that was one of the actual miniature sets that we utilized. And so
You got it? You got it? You got it? No, he don't.
It's a little tram that could. You know, this tram has been through a lot, everyone. Oh my goodness, we are doing it. This little tram is amazing. Oh, yay! Oh my goodness gracious. Round of applause for our driver, Jesse. You guys, you don't even want to